Hey everybody, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. So today we are going to be drawing Netero from Hunter x Hunter. So, landscape orientation page, use a pencil, hit pause. If I go too fast, we're going to start with his eyes. So it's portrait, bit of his shoulders, and he's like hands in prayer. It's from the fight with Meruem. So we can just see a bit of his shoulders and it's mostly face. So find about the center point. So this is the line straight down the middle of my page. We're up, just that's probably the center point of my page, like bang in the middle maybe. And then we're just up a tiny little bit and then over to the right. And then you just do a line straight across for his top eyelid. Just there. And then we have a curved line down, like that. Curved line down, like that. So these don't touch in the middle. You'd think they would, but they actually don't. So. And they're kind of pointy on the corners, just here. That kind of thing. So his iris just here, so like a curved line, or like a circle with the top cut off, just there. And I can't see any pupils in the picture, but will we add one? Let's see. I'll see if I can find a different picture. Does he have pupils? He should have pupils. There isn't any pupils in the picture I'm drawn from, so. Ah yeah, he has pupils, okay. We'll give him a pupil. So just there like that. And then he has real big bushy eyebrows, right? So, like, crazy big. So, like a big tick up like this. It kind of curves around like that. Okay. And then these are all spiky on top. Like so. That kind of thing. And then we have an eyelid line just in here, just above his eye. Just here, like up and down, just in this gap. And then he's an old guy, so he's got like wrinkles around his eyes, right? So he's got like a line coming down here on the inside, like some wrinkles underneath, like so, and like a wrinkle line just here, with some lines going this way. Okay, so his other eye, just over here, you want to go about eye distance, so measure this eye, and then go over that distance again, so you want to be able to fit an eye in between, right? So you want to be able to fit an eye in between his two eyes, in between his two tear ducts. So this then comes over, straight across, and then bring it down, and bring it down in the other side. And they don't touch, remember? And you can just thicken up some of these lines. Okay, so then iris, so just like a semicircle again. That kind of thing. And then a pupil in the center, like so. And then we do his big brushy eyebrow, so we go tick this way again, up and down, like that. And then we spike it all around, up, down, spike it all around. And you can do this any old way, you just want to make it kind of spiky. Into there. And again, eyelid line, just coming out and down, like so. Wrinkles then coming around his face. This kind of thing. Coming down his eye, just here, his nose. Just trying to make him look old. Okay, so he's got some frown lines inside his nose. Like that. And then one at the top of his nose just here, bending around it, and two inside, like so. Then he's got a pretty wide nose, so the bridge of his nose comes down like this, two lines coming down the side. And then the nostrils curve out here, like that. And these are going to come down to the tip of his nose, right? Down to here. So he's got a kind of quite a big nose for an anime character. You don't normally see the nose described so large. And then two lines on the side of his nose just there for his cheeks. And just under his nose we have his mustache. So we go just zigzag sort of lines like that, and then down the side. You know, just real hairy down the side. And then these go up and down. Underneath. Like so. And you can add some texture lines, hair lines inside there. Like that. So, bottom lip line, so we'll do that. So just like a curved line, like that. And it kind of has wings, so it kind of tips up the side here like that. And he's an older guy, so wrinkles and sort of mouth, jaw lines just there like so. And he has another piece of facial hair, so like zigzag line just on his chin here. It's like his goatee or something like that. So we won't join it together because his fingers are here. He's in prayer, so he's like this. So you could join it and then rub it out after, but there's no point, so because we're just gonna waste time. So we'll just leave this gap right here. Okay, and then we'll add where his chin is. So his chin just here. Okay. So you want to check your proportions now of things. So the eyes to the nose is the same distance as the nose to about the chin, just here. From here to here is about the same as here to here. Okay. That distance is about the same. And then his bottom lip is about halfway between his nose and his chin. So from nose to bottom lip is the same as bottom lip to chin. Just there, okay? So that's your proportions. You want to get them right before you move on. So nose is halfway between eyes and chin. Bottom lip halfway between nose and chin. Approximately, doesn't have to be exact. Right, so jaw comes out like this. Comes out like that on the other side. And then this curves up like so, side of his face. So we're just like underneath the edge of his eye, and then we curve it up like that. Bring it out like so for his cheek. And then we go up around his face, up to his eyebrow. Same here. Up to his eyebrow. And he has like some cheekbones. He's like skinny face sort of here, like so. Old guy. I keep saying that. Sorry, Netero. But he's probably the oldest character I've drawn. So, well, how old is Piccolo? From Dragon Ball. I don't know. Okay, so big ears, right? So, right out from his eyebrow. See there? And then this comes down like that. So real big earlobes, like so. Real dangly down earlobes, like he's had those weights in his ears that stretched him out for decades or something. And this comes back up into his jaw, just there. Yeah, and that one. Oh, I made a mistake on this one. Yeah, so it's not that big of a deal really, but it's just his earlobe should go up more up into his jaw than the side of his face, just up here. I had it going in here, but should just be a bit skinnier, that's all. And then lines inside his ear, so like this kind of thing. You could leave it like that if you wanted, or you could add more detail, like so. And same on this side. So down like so. You could leave it or add more detail. Like that. Okay, so his head, so it just comes out from his ear, just here, right? And he's got kind of a round, sort of bald kind of head. It just comes up like so. Okay. Comes over the other side. Like so. Just trying to keep it symmetrical. And so you want to go down into his ear there again. That kind of thing. And then, so we've got some lines like for his temple, like, you know, like this kind of thing there. And like frown lines in the center of his forehead. And some wrinkles coming across like that. Another one in the middle. You know, this kind of thing. Yeah, and he has like a green sort of thing tying up his hair just here. So it's like a rectangle, just like that. It's got some lines coming across, like so. And then his hair, it's like, I've seen it like really long, but in his fight with Meruem, it's like, it's real short. So it's like, just like this spiky kind of thing that goes up. It just goes off my page there and then comes in the other side. So, you know, you could just finish with some spikes up the top. I couldn't fit it in. And there's a line just for his temple on this side as well. Like so, okay. So his hands are in prayer, right? Just down here in front. So basically, just in here, we can see a letter M. E. Like that. Another one below it. Like that. And then a third one, a little bit lower for his little fingers. Okay. So these are his fingers, but it's like this side we can see, right? So we can see like little finger, ring finger, index finger. So, we might as well draw the outside of that first. So we'll go down, like so. We'll bring it out, like this. Hands in prayer. Out to a knuckle. And down off the page that way. Out to a knuckle and down. Off the page that way. Okay. And then we have for each finger, so there's like a line that goes down the middle, right? And it can be a sort of a bumpy line, it doesn't have to be straight. It's probably even better if it is bumpy, you know? Because fingers tend to be bumpy anyway. Like that. And then the outside of his ring fingers will come down like so. Just about there. Same on the other side. Down to about there. And then his little fingers. Down like so. This one. Down like so as well. I might have a knuckle line or something just there. And then they need fingernails. So just on the edge here, we can see like some fingernails and stuff. Like that. So of course they come down to his arms that go off, but we're just focused on his face mostly on this. So. Okay, his neck goes down like so, and this side goes down like so. trapezius there, there, and then his t-shirt curving down and in, and on this side curving down and in. And the other side of it, so it goes this way, and this side will go out, yep, up into his trapezius just up here. And then we have some neck muscle lines, so like say here, here, and go on this way, like that. And then some sort of wrinkles that are coming across his neck. Like so. And then his shoulders. So we'll just bring these off like this. Bumpy sort of waving line going diagonal down, around his shoulders, down off the page. Same thing here. Like so. And full lines. There's a line for his blue sleeves on both sides. Chest muscle line. Chest muscle line. And like armpit line. And then collarbone, collarbone, maybe armpit line, maybe some more armpit lines and stuff there. Okay, that is how to draw a Netero from Hunter x Hunter. Hope it was helpful, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.